Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Microsoft To Do. You click on Settings. Here in this page you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this page you will search about To Do app and you can click. Here in this page of App Info you will click on First Stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about To Do app. And then you can update your app if you will find updates here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.